Hey y'all, how is everybody? Alright, so I dug in the scrap box because I'm trying to organize it. And I have nothing but a giant tote. A giant tote. So what I'm doing is organizing it into 5-inch squares or cut it 2-inch strips. So this is what I have so far for 2-inch strips. I think I'm going to be able to do a strip quilt. And then 5-inch squares of cut. So I should be ready to do a strip quilt. That'll be fantastic. Oh, I'm going to try to get into the doctor today. I've got a nasty cold, I guess. Well, it's more of a cough. And I don't like it. And I don't think it's the C word. I don't think it's that. I think it's just a regular old cough. We'll see what happens. I'm also going to have to look and see if I got cellulitis on my leg or my thigh. Because it's real purpley and feels weird. So that might be TMI, but I'm fighting a lot right now. This is so anyway, I still have a very long way to go on my tote full of scraps. It's a big one. But yeah, the I Spy quilt hasn't sold yet, so, and it may not. It may go to storage with the rest of everything and just seal up in storage till somebody comes along. So yeah, it is what it is. I've made a tiny bit of progress on January's year of celebrations. I'm doing January right now. This is as far as it goes. So these are 50 stitches by 50 stitches. 50 stitches by 50 stitches. And I got these fabric pieces I cut at 10 inches. I think I had Miss Rita. Miss Rita cut them at 10 by 10 and serged them. So it looks like I've got plenty of fabric. I think the fabric calculator said I only needed a 9.5 by 9.5 inch square, but I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and round it up because you can never have too much fabric. I just don't want it to be not enough, right? So it is what it is. Somebody was asking me about where to find the patterns for these, and as far as I know, there's no PDF. You have to buy them from 123 Stitch, and it's paper pattern. As far as I know, there's no PDF. And I've got a question of why don't I start in the middle and make sure it's centered. Well, because this one, where the arrows meet, there was nothing there. There's nothing close to it. And I'm a starter that's left-handed, left to corner. I like to start in my left corner and then work one color at a time. So maybe that'll answer some questions there. Anyway, other than that, we are going to probably get some winter weather mix coming tonight, because it's Wednesday tonight. So we'll see what happens with that. I really don't want snow and weather mix. I don't care for it. So anyway, y'all have a great morning. Take care. Spread peace, love, and kindness.